Hi guys, so I'm back again. Today I thought I'll just do a quick review, a more detailed review of the KatVonD Shade and Light palette. I just did this tutorial on this look. Actually, it was more like a first impressions, and I tried out the KatVonD palette, and I must say that the shades are really nice in it. So this is how it looks. So you have 6 shades, you have 3 like more skin setting powder shades, and you have 3 contouring shades. So they in Bangkok this is not available. I got this as a gift from Dubai. It was picked up in Dubai. So in Bangkok only the cream one is available, but I do think that if you're new, powder is a little more forgiving than cream, because you like the cream might just smear all over your face. So for that reason, I always start off with powders if I'm trying something new. Like initially when I got into makeup, when I started contouring and bronzing, I preferred powder rather than cream, but now as you learn and work your way up, then you can use both, of course. So this is a little pink toned like setting powder. It is in the shade Lucid, and then this is a little more yellow tone, which I think is perfect for my skin. It's in the shade Lyric, and then there's this peachy tone, which is in the shade Levitation. So these are the 3 shades. I think this is more for darker skin. This is for medium skin with yellow undertones, medium to light skin with yellow undertones, and this is for medium to light skin with a more pink undertone. So for the contouring shades, this is in the shade Zombie, and then the center one is in the shade Shadow Play that I used today, and I think it looks beautiful. And the last shade is Subconscious. Sorry. The last shade is Subconscious, and I really like the palette. It's really sturdy. I love the packaging. I think everything is perfect. But the only thing is, I don't think I'm gonna get use out of all the shades, but because this is gonna look too peachy on me unless I just use it as a setting powder all over my face. But it might look a little peachy for me. But otherwise, the shades are beautiful, and it is a contouring kit. I wouldn't suggest you use these as a bronzing powder. I would suggest using a more warm toned color that this palette does not have. But the setting powder and the contouring powder is very, very good quality, finely milled, and it is a good option if you love contouring, and you can create beautiful contours with the beautiful contours mixing the 2 shades. But it is not a must-have, because you do get like just a single shade of contouring color separately just for your skin tone. If you're just looking for that one color, you don't have to go and get the whole palette. I think these are my thoughts on this palette. If you are looking to buy it, it is of good quality. It is really nicely made and everything. But if you're just looking for a simple contour product for yourself, then I think you can buy just the single color rather than buy the whole palette. So that's it for now, guys. This was a quick short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am thinking to do more of these kind of just single products quick reviews. And if you did, please do give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And you can follow me, you can subscribe and like, obviously. Please do subscribe and like. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Bye guys, till next time.